What if I told you we don't see with our eyes? Would you believe me? Hi there. Thanks for zooming in. I'm Junean Marshall, Doctor of Optometry. Our eyes are more like super cameras, way better than the latest smartphone. In the time it took us to blink, our eyes process millions of bits of information and adjusted for the focus, the brightness, the color, and the depth, and sent it off to the brain faster than any supercomputer could manage. So today, we'll explore the main parts of the eye and how they function together to create an image. So it all starts when light reflects off objects around us. It travels through the cornea. That's the first part of the eye. And that's the clear outer part of the eye. And its main job is to bend and focus the incoming light. Then the light passes through the pupil. That's the second part. So the pupil is the black opening in our eye. And that's surrounded by the colored part of the eye. And that's called the iris. So my color part is brown. Yours might be blue, green, hazel, all beautiful colors. So the iris and the pupil, they work together like a smart camera adjusting the exposure. So the iris determines how big or how small the pupil actually gets. So for instance, on a sunny day, when it's bright outside, the pupil gets really, really tiny. And at night, in a dark room, then the pupil widens, so more light gets through. So after passing through the pupil, the light reaches the lens. This flexible structure constantly fine-tunes the focus, bending the light even more. So depending on how far or how close you're looking at something, the lens may get thicker or flatter and bends the light to reach the next part of the eye, the retina. There are light sensing cells, and these cells convert all the light into electrical signals. So the light sensing cells might be rods or cones, where the rods are responsible for night vision and motion detection, and the cones are responsible for color and sharp details. So all these electrical signals, they come together, travel through the optic nerve, and head straight to the brain. It turns all the raw data into what we actually see. It processes the information, it merges the different images from one eye, the other eye, puts them together into a single three-dimensional view. And then it adds the color, the depth, the motion, everything to the image. By using its existing knowledge, the brain is able to recognize what the object is. So in other words, we don't see with our eyes. We actually see with our brain. That's crazy. Who knew? That's all I have for today, guys. Like and subscribe if you find my content helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm zooming out.